Morning, children. How are you? I think you observed what I said yesterday. Today, I will continue the topic from 13th lesson. The world between wars, part 1, from 1900 to 1950. In that, the remaining part we will discuss right now. What is that? Yesterday, we observed what is the population of the world at the beginning of the 20th century. After 20th century is the age of extremes and experiments said by Eric Hobsbawm and Great Depression, power blacks, death and destruction. We observed a lot. Now we are discussing from ominous facts to all the real facts which is happened, world wars, the time and the main causes. The first one today we are going to discuss. The first one is causes of the two world wars uncompared. Causes of the two world wars means, first of all, we know that the period of World War One, that is 1914 to 1918, and the period of World War II, that is 1939 to 1945. These two are very important. Yes. So, first of all, we are talking about 1914 World War One, immediate cause. So, that is, I wrote on the blackboard here, immediate cause of the World War One. What is the reason? So, what is the reason means here, due to the competition to occupy the lands, due to the competition to sell the goods of various industrial nations in various Latin America, Africa and Asian countries. For that, there must be a competition and rivalry was there between the countries in the Europe. So, at the time, the groupism was formed, that is called power blocks groups, power blocks and groups. Now we are going to discuss the immediate cause of World War One. This is most important one. That's why I wrote on the blackboard. It will come 2 marks or 1 marks question. What is that? Immediate cause of World War One. Now, what is that? We will discuss. Austria King Franz Ferdinand went to Serbia with his wife Sophia, and both are killed. First of all, a fanatic Serbian killed and murdered Archduke Franz Ferdinand. That's why Serbia asked explanation to Austria. Austria asked explanation to Serbia. Later, that's the thing was happening. 28th June 1914. 28th June 1914, the thing was happening. So, afterwards, Austria asked explanation to Serbia, but Serbia didn't care about this. So that's why after 1 month, the war was started in July month of 1914. War was started after 1 month. So this is immediate cause of World War One. So here Austria started war against Serbia because of murder of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. But here Austria and Serbia war is started. Then what happens? In Serbia side, a war treaty is there, or agreement is there. Serbia versus Britain. Then Britain was joined. Later France was joined in this group. So that is the cause of World War One. And now second one, immediate cause of World War Two. This is also very important one. It is also 2 marks question or 1 marks question will come in the examination, final examination. What is that immediate cause of World War Two? Fort Danzig is the main cause for World War Two. What is that? Hitler asked to the Poland, give back to Fort Danzig, but Fort Danzig is not given to the Germans. Then Hitler driven war tankers on Fort Danzig, because in both sides, Poland both sides, Germany people are there. Germany lands are there. So that's why it is very easy to occupy Poland. That is the nature of Hitler. So that's why he driven war tanks on 1st September 1939 on Fort Danzig. So this is the first step taken by the Adolf Hitler on Fort Danzig, driven war tankers. That is the cause for World War II. Then there is a armed treaty is there between England and Britain. The Britain is joined on 2nd September 1939. Later France, other nations joined in this group, and so this is the main cause for World War II. Hitler driven war tankers on Poland. It means Fort Danzig. That's happening in 1st September 1939. That is the main cause for World War II. Next, aggressive nationalism. Aggressive nationalism means fanatic nationalism, or aggressive nationalism means fanatic nationalism. It means over love, over affection on motherland. That is called aggressive nationalism. These two, aggressive nationalism is forcibly applied in 2 nations. One is Germany, that is Nazis. They feel their mother country is the and towards love and affection is very high. The Nazis goal is, that is, love and affection on motherland is over love, over affection on motherland. That is most dangerous. That is called aggressive nationalism. And one more nation followed the same thing. That is called Italy. Italy also followed the same, over love and over affection on motherland. That is the main cause for world wars. And later, imperialism. Imperialism means, what is called imperialism? Imperialism means searching for markets and occupy the land and started the business worldwide. After industrialization, Germany, Italy, Japan, and Russia and England, these nations are searching for their markets. Afterwards, there must be a competition to expand their power throughout the world. That is called imperialism. And later, secret alliances. Secret alliances are main cause for world wars. In 1904, a secret alliance is made by one group. In 1907, a secret alliance is made by one group. That is triple entente. Triple entente was formed by Britain. This is a secret group. Britain formed, and a triple alliance was formed. Alliance was formed by Germany. So this is secret alliances formed. So secret alliances and secret treaties are formed. So that is the main cause for world wars here and later. Militarism. Militarism means in GDP, lot of money is there, but most GDP money spending for war preparation. It means preparation of nuclear weapons and preparation of weapons is the main thing. And afterwards, recruitment of military soldiers. These are all important thing compared to the common ordinary man life and welfare measures of the people. So that's why which nation giving importance compared to the welfare measures, such nation follows militarism. Here, military soldiers, weapons, and other material like nuclear bombs. They're spending lot of money on these matters. So that is main cause for militarism. So students, I will ask some important questions right now. What is that? What is the immediate cause for World War One? Do you know? Archduke Franz Ferdinand was murdered by a fanatic Serbian in 28th June 1914. Next, second question. What is the period of First World War? 1914 to 1918. What is the period of Second World War? 1939 to 1945. And what is the immediate cause of World War II? Hitler-driven war tankers on Port Danzig in Poland. That is happening in September 1st, 1939. So that is. So recollect all the things what I said. Okay, students.